Built in 1925, the Permacrete Products Company sits on close to 5 acres. Local explorers often refer to it as simply the cement factory. Because the business closed its doors so long ago, there isn't a lot of history to dig up on the facility. We were, however, able to find some advertisements from a trade magazine dating back to 1942. While the facility did manufacture concrete products, their main line of business was railroad structures, including railroad utility buildings, fixtures for signals, etc. Since then, the facility's passed through several hands. The last sale was in 2010 to Ohio Cast Stone, which deals primarily in septic systems. However, it doesn't appear as if anyone who has had possession of property has utilized it since the Permacrete Products days. So we're in central Ohio, the heart of it all, in the middle of the Rust Belt. And this place that you see right behind me there, we're gonna check out. We're trying to be quiet because I've had lots of fucking weird experiences. People living in some of these derelict places. Totally see inside of here, can't I? Oh yeah, I wonder if I can get this to work. Well, I don't know if you can see inside of there. Sorry. So we're actually walking up this ramp and coming into basically the second floor. See, it looks fairly safe. Lots of gravel, some standing water. Floors feel safe. But we're not a track. That's probably some good photos actually. Light's perfect. Let's stop and take a photo. Really quiet in here. Hey, there's a track that cart might have went on. Let's check it out. Definitely a track. Goes all the way up. That's what I want to take a photo of because I think it looks cool. It's a cool stairwell. It looks like we'll need a flashlight for that. People have been sleeping here. Stuff falling from the ceiling over there. And what is this? I have a flashlight in my pocket somewhere. Give me a second. This looks pretty empty. Lots of weird shit in here though. There's some tampons and some shoes. It's like water dripping. It's in kind of rough shape up there. Yeah, water's been dripping here for a while. You can see that. Have a look out the window. That's cool. Can you see that? Wow, that's a good picture. Looking out the window, across that roof. There's more. Well, it looks like these sketchy ass stairs are the next thing. Jesus Christ, my flashlight doesn't really do shit. What the fuck is that? There's cement though, so still kind of fucked up. There's like some sort of silo here. A bunch of shit in it. Ooh, the sun coming in the window is bright. So we're going to the, I guess the first floor. Looks pretty trashed, honestly. Again, water dripping. Doesn't smell that good either. What the hell is that? Massive equipment. Phone's trying to focus on. This place is a little big. Got a little room here. Apparently isn't anything. We'll get outside. We're still up a floor. Huh. These big things. Makes you wonder if that was a... Whoa. It's a big chute. That's an elevator. Goes down. You can kind of see it down there. Pretty cool. It's like an eerie feeling in here though. I think it's the silence. It smells like just like machinery, like remnants of like factories. This big cement blocks. Jesus. Let's go this way real quick. We have like more floors to explore, I'm sure of it. Plus a roof. Okay, so we're on the other side of that weird silo that we were just looking at on the stairwell. Looks like there's actually a couple silos here. Lots of graffiti. Not bad either. There's no ceiling here. We were just here. Lots of shit on the floor. Watch where we go. Fuck is that? That stairwell doesn't look creepy at all. Yeah, it doesn't look creepy at all. We're gonna have to go down there. Might have to work up to that a little bit though. A lot of truck cops just fucking lingering around. I'm gonna say, can't tell if that door comes out over here. It does. There's another building over there too. I don't know if you can see that. Hope we don't run out of space, since I only have one device. So we have a vehicle, one of these things. Jesus, that's fucking not creepy. Two hallways next to each other. Okay, we're kind of in the open. I'm gonna try to get out of the open. This area is completely collapsed. I want to get up there. It's pretty shitty. I mean, this was a collapse, obviously. I also have to pull out my flashlight. Smells like fucking... Smells like cock. That would be caulk. Get more of these. God, they left a lot of fucking equipment behind. Like, what happened to make this place go out of business so quick? To leave all their fucking expensive ass trucks. Like, seriously, what would have happened? Like, I mean, these kind of trucks, you know, like, I mean, if they went bankrupt or something, this stuff would go up for auction. This one isn't fucking quite as torn up. crazy truck with this like weird hoist on it. Apart from moving cement, yeah? Ah, just tripped. God damn it. Another building over there I wouldn't mind checking out, honestly. Man, this is pretty, when we say ruins, like look at that. They left that truck. So we're gonna go check out this building that's right nearby. If you want to get the light going here. Getting to the second floor doesn't look that friendly. Might be a good picture though, of these stairs. Okay, so we're gonna skip the second floor of this building. Well, that looks the coolest. And I guess we're down to the basement. Before we go into the next part of this building, which is really dangerous, really sketchy, I just want to cut in real quick with a safety disclaimer. Never go into an abandoned building by yourself. Always have a good friend. Absolutely. This guy has a problem with getting himself hurt and landing himself in the hospital. Well, this guy has a problem with unstable structures.
Oh, God! I dropped my flashlight, and it hit me right in the mouth.
You okay?
Yeah, it kind of sucked.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Nonetheless, always use the buddy system. But avoid this fucker, because he's a total dick. So, the stairwell we came up was here. Or came down, I'm sorry. See the grain elevator thing. Cool sun coming in. And then I noticed the stairwell actually does continue. And, alright, so there's a train going by. Let's see, go up through the windows. Oops. We're gonna just probably just try to take a look down the other stairs I was avoiding. And it looks really fucking collapsed. The missing steps. It's buried down there. It's like buried with gravel. Yeah, okay, so I thought I might. I'm skipping this. Getting out of here, no fun either. Jesus. Alright, so the other way to get to the basement is past all this. Honestly, I think we'll go down a little bit. I don't know how far we're gonna go. Man, this basement's fucking creepy. Autofocus is not happy. Jesus. The safety factor here is kind of fucked up. It's like a washroom or something. You have to faucets. This is like a bathroom. Indeed it is. It's pretty gross. No urinals. I'm guessing maybe a girl's bathroom. I don't know. That would be the boys' thing. It's old school. So the other part of the basement that I didn't want to go down, which maybe I will, is not accessible from here. So, man, this is pretty fucking scary down here. And those are the steps. When the regional railroads stopped building new lines and start closing existing lines, the trickle-down effect was felt by many businesses. Today, the shell of the former Permacrete Products Corporation is left to inherit the Wasteland. If you want to learn more about the history of this place, including photo galleries, documents, and everything else, visit the episode page at itw.crustlandia.com.